Die random.
This is my guy, die 24/7 and 365. Got this bitch turned to we all the way life. What you want? Fly to Memphis, walk a real cool. Watch one, might as well watch two. You think you don't need a butt, nigga? You do. Couple you better thank God for that black dude with the videos all on YouTube. Got this shit locking, we all the way life. You been waiting, man, like and subscribe. Hey, die, man, they can't handle this. Hey, die, man, they ain't with our random shit.
What's up, you guys? I'm looking a little bit rough right now, but I'm about to go downstairs and install my Shark Grill on my Jeep. It's gonna be the first modification I have done to my Jeep in a while, so I'm quite excited. You would park right next to me. Please don't tell me you're parking next to me. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so the grill is already back here. I already started, kinda. Excuse my Jeep is a mess in here. I had Bryson. You guys have not met Bryson yet, but you soon will. I had him in here because he had a doctor's appointment. Actually, I'll just leave that right there. So basically, the only thing I done was I started pulling off plugs. From off under the hood. It's hot out here, by the way. How do I do this? How do I do this? That took way too long. Ooh, that short little ride got my hot as hell. Alright. So, let's grab this box real quick. Come on, box. Alright, so I need the pliers that I had, which should be in this back seat. Not pliers. What is it called? Flathead screwdriver. And so I just have to finish taking this grill off, the original grill. Look how easy this is to come off of here. I'm trying to get this little thing that came off in here. Okay, I just gotta remember that that's in there and then worry about it another time. Because I'm taking up too much time and this should not take long at all. And I have to get ready to go to the movies. So, oh, I got one on here. Not yet. So I'm basically just popping the top part off, pulling it, set it to the side, and pop the bottom part off, pull it, set it to the side. And I did that to all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the top, 6 of them. And it looks like it's just gonna pop it on off. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy. I feel like there's probably one or a couple more somewhere else that I'm not seeing. So I'm trying to do this without breaking some shit. That makes sense. Please don't fall, camera. You're not gonna fall, right? You're not gonna fall? No, this camera fall, I'm not even gonna trust it. I'm not even gonna trust it. I wish this was my car right here, so I could put it up in there, but it's not. Alright, so apparently I just gotta pull it towards me. So let's see if I can get you guys in the frame so that you guys can see what the hell I am doing. Okay, let me pull it back a little bit. And I'm just using this as a part of my tripod. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull it, literally just pull it. Trying to crack it. Bam. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the grill that I just took off and apply the clamps to the new grill identical to the old one so I can know exactly where everything goes. So basically just going to lay it down the exact same way. Try not to scratch it. Hold on. Lay it flat so it don't scratch. Ugh. So I don't know if you can see, but those middle clamps right there, I don't have those on this grill, so I don't have to worry about that. I just have to worry about that clamp, this line of clamps right here, and then that clamp right there. So as you can see, those are the spaces for them. They're just not attached yet because I have to put them on. Here's the baggie that it came with, that has those little things that you guys saw me taking off earlier, and these little clamps. So I'm just gonna take the clamps off and put the clamps on. All the clamps on. So now all I'm gonna do is try to put the new grill back on. Let's see how that works. Can it sit here? Let's see. Let's actually pull this on top of it as well. Yep, there we go. It's probably the best I can get. Scratch this thing up. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in this box because I don't want to damage it. Do me a favor and just shoot it right here real quick. I don't want this to get damaged, so I'm gonna just put this in the box that the new one came in. I gotta install this as well. So let's do that. This came in a rubber piece that came on top of it. That I also have to install on top of the grill, just like it is on that grill. And yeah, so let's get that done real quick. My hands are dirty. So this alignment isn't perfect, and I'm trying to see what I can do to possibly get it perfect. Maybe if I put some of the tabs in, it'll line up right. I don't know. We'll see. But look how it looks though so far. Doesn't that look good? That looks good as fuck. Yes, that looks really good actually. All right, let's see how this gets installed so I can do that real quick. I'll come back. So basically, this little rubber piece is going to act as this rubber piece right here. So I'm going to have to just tape it down. This is on here a different way, but yeah, it's just going to act as a cushion for whenever the hood closes. So I'm going to come back after I do that. And just like that, it is installed. So next, more than likely, I'm going to definitely get some lights, some new lights for this. Some aftermarket lights, because this is boring. And I also need to get this repaired. My roommate got in an accident in my Jeep. I think it was like the first week I had it, and yeah, I never replaced this part yet. I'm actually going to replace this whole thing, put LEDs in it, and after that, I'll probably put some lights underneath it, underneath the Jeep, and that's probably going to be it. So when I really think about it like that, it's not really that much I need to do more. The lights are going to be expensive though, so yeah, that's probably why that's the last thing. But overall, my Jeep looks fucking, oh, let me put the hood down. So yeah, overall, my Jeep looks badass. What y'all think? Think it looks good? I think so. I mean, my Jeep needs a wash, but what's new? That's nothing new. So I saw some people, they have like, they'll paint this. I'm not painting mine because I'm just gonna allow it to match this right here, because I'm not changing this out. Originally I was gonna change these out, but I'm thinking I'm not. I will change those fog lights out though. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the bumpers how they are. That's wet, don't mind that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna paint it. So yeah, I think it looks good. I think it looks dope as fuck. So now I gotta go put this in storage. Won't be right now though, because I gotta go get ready for the movies. I'll see you guys in a bit.